Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are so well and I hope life is treating you good and kind and everything is swell. I am going to be doing a haul video today, which I know are your guys' favourites, and I'm really sorry I've not done one in a long time. I'm trying to kind of pull back on the haul videos just because it's such a topic of conversation at the moment on YouTube, and I think it is important that we all kind of do our part to tone it down a little bit, but it is after all my job to show you guys what's new in, what's in fashion, and also what the best of the best is from online retailers. Today I'm working with Nasty Gal and I'm really excited because Nasty Gal is one of my absolute favourite online stores. I think their pieces are super cool. They have a little bit more of a kind of edge to them, and I think out of a lot of different brands it's definitely the one that speaks the most to me, so I'm so excited that they wanted to work with me on this video. So I'm just going to show you some bits that I have found that I think are the creme de la creme, at least in my opinion, and give you guys a little bit more information about how they fit on a size 14 build. Just help you guys make some more informed decisions when it comes to your spending and what you're purchasing, because at the end of the day, I still want to do haul videos, but I think you need to look at hauls as a way of giving you more information about pieces rather than me telling you to go and buy everything in the haul. See which pieces really speak to you and go and make your own decisions. So I'm really excited to be working with Nasty Gal today, and everything I'm talking about is linked down below for you guys in the order that they are mentioned in. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. It is a beautiful day. It is springtime here. It is sunny. I think in a minute there's probably going to be some sun coming behind me, so I'm sorry about that if that happens. But it's a gorgeous day and I'm feeling like spring is around the corner. So I've actually picked up a couple of springy items. The first one is this gorgeous Bardot top. So it is a blue denim. There's a hair on it, as there is on everything I own. It's this lovely kind of ruched blue denim crop top. So it's a Bardot style. It's got 3/4 length sleeves and it buttons up at the front. I have got big boobs, so this is extremely cropped on me because I really feel it, if you know what I mean. Obviously, depending on your chest size, it varies how cropped this is. So this is pretty cropped on me, so I definitely have to go for something high-waisted on the bottom. But I just thought this was so lovely for the springtime. It's quite a nice thick fabric, so it will keep you a little bit warmer, but you still have a little bit of shoulder, a little bit of décolletage on show. It's a really lovely classic shape. I absolutely love this. I picked this up in a size large. Oh, I picked up a pair of earrings. These are resin earrings, and they're kind of bamboo effect. They're really cool. They're extremely statement, obviously, but I love the colors. I think these are gonna look so cool, like on holiday. Hair scraped back and then just let the earrings do the talking. Maybe match your lipstick to this berry shade. Oh, that sounds amazing. Sold. Oh, I love this. This is one of my favorite things. Hang on. I wore this to the rugby the other night. This is my color. I love burnt oranges, I love tans, I just love like warm brown shades on my skin tone and with my eye color and my hair color. I just really love kind of natural tones. It's always been something I love. I love, you know, bright colors and rainbows, but for me, I always come back to like neutrals. This is a really fine corduroy, kind of a shacket. It's quite hard to show you and quite hard to describe, so you'll see it when I try it on, but it's super thin, floaty. You can ruche it in at the waist, and it's got these lovely big buttons. I just roll up the sleeves, wear it over a t-shirt, and it's a look, you know. It's something really casual, but it adds some texture, adds some warmth, adds a layer, but it's still really light and perfect for the spring. I wore this the other day and I got loads of compliments on it. It's just such a cool piece. There's something really bohemian and really relaxed about it. It's not very structured at all, which again, I love. I just love a really relaxed kind of look. So this is a staple in my wardrobe at the minute that I'm wearing over absolutely everything. I love it. Speaking of warm tones, I've actually got another piece in this colour. As a person who works from home, I like to have clothes that are really comfortable, but I feel a little bit put together. So I don't want to feel like I'm constantly slobbing about in my pyjamas, but I do want to be super, super cozy and comfortable. But again, I want to be able to answer the door to the postman and not feel embarrassed that I'm there in a dressing gown. I picked up this little two-piece. I'm not gonna lie, the bottoms are in the wash because I've worn them so much recently. They didn't finish in time to film this video, so I'm really sorry. It's this lovely burnt orange shade, which I absolutely love, as we've discussed. It's a cropped kind of track sweatshirt with a silver ring pull and this kind of chevron 80s ski wear vibe at the top here. So lightweight and really soft. It's got kind of like a fuzzy lining on the inside as well, which is so nice when you like get out the shower and you put this on and you feel like you've got into your pajamas but you're ready for the day at the same time. And I would also wear this top separately with like jeans and wear it out. I think this is definitely one of my favorite items from the haul, the two-piece. It's really inexpensive and you get them both together, and I just think it's super cool. I absolutely love this. I've been wearing this to death, like to death, so often, basically every single day. I picked out something that's quite different for me, but I saw it on the website. I think it's from the Emma Louise Connolly collection, who I absolutely love. It is this shirt. So it's, again, I'm really sorry that I haven't ironed any of this. It's this gorgeous kind of ivory shade with like a tan button, and it's a sort of fine waffle fabric, a tiny little bit of texture to it, which I quite like. This is a very low cut top, so I would either wear this with a really pretty bralette, or I would wear it in the colder months with like a bright coloured polo neck underneath. I think that would be quite cool, or just like a black polo neck, something like that, just to add a couple layers and textures and stuff like that. I love that it's got these kind of puffball sleeves, and then they taper in at the cuffs, and again it's got that button detailing, and then it really cinches you in at the waist. So I think this would be great for evenings, but also for day-to-day wear. It's quite smart and quite structured for me, but that's kind of what drew me to it, because it's something a little bit different for me. Again, I picked this up in a size 14. So yeah, I'm super excited to get some wear out of this. This is another one of my favorites. So I know that this completely juxtaposes what I've just been talking about, how it's spring and it's sunny, which it is, and it has been for 3 days in a row. It's kind of exciting. But you will know that one of my favorite jackets of all time is a black puffer, but it's ripped, it's got a tear in it, and I'm absolutely devastated. So I wanted to get myself a replacement because I wear it so often, and I thought I would go for something a little bit different. So I've gone for this orange, white and navy blue, and I love this. I love how it's got this collar at the top that you zip down. It's really thick and warm and comfortable. This I got in a size 14. The brand is Brave Soul, sold on Nasty Gal. It's a little bit of a pop of colour that I think will carry me into the colder days in the springtime, rather than me wearing all black. It's a little bit more spring-like with a little bit more colour to it. I feel like this will be a good dog walking jacket. If only I had a dog. Guys, I messed up. I went downstairs and I realised that 2 of my favourite items from the haul were on my bed, and I completely forgot to show you them. So now the sun is here. I cannot believe I nearly forgot to show you these jeans. These jeans are amazing. I opened them out of the package and I was like, these look tiny. These are not gonna fit over me. These are so stretchy. They actually fit. They are super flared with stars on them. They're light wash denim, really high-waisted, and yeah, so flared, like really flared, with raw hems. These jeans are amazing. I got these in a size 14 again. They have back pockets. They make your bum look amazing, if I do say so myself. They're just so cool. And then I can't believe I didn't show you this jumper. It's because I wore it the other day, so there might be a little bit of makeup on it, sorry. But it is this gorgeous lilac jumper. This is so nice, you guys. It's like off the shoulder and it's fitted, but it's in the most beautiful lilac shade. I can't believe I didn't show you this. absolutely stunning, and I love the neckline. So it shows a little bit of your shoulders, which I really like personally. It's quite cropped, it's really form-fitting, so I like this tucked into jeans with a skirt. So I'll also link this down below for you as well. I think this would be good for like a cooler spring day, like spring in the evening, going to the pub in the evening, something like that, because it's, you know, a little bit warm, but it's not gonna keep you like super warm, you know? I'm gonna let Emma from the past do the outro now. I'm sorry, I'm so rubbish. Okay, ladies and gents, that is everything that I have chosen from Nasty Gal that really spoke to me, that I'm excited to try on. Let me know down below which is your favorite piece that I showed. Is there anything here that you're interested in picking up yourself and purchasing for your own spring wardrobe? Like I said, absolutely everything is linked down below, so thank you so much to Nasty Gal for sponsoring this video. I am so excited to be working with you. That is everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and leave a comment down below, again letting me know what your favorite piece from this haul is and how you would like to style it. Have the best day, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!